around here looking at the shop. Man, I had flyers that have been on the wall since 2005. DO party I went to. Swap meets, 2015. I've cleared off the wall all the way down the line. I'm working on this side next. Doing some reorganization. That's the plan here. We're gonna clean up this next up here. Corey, Sleepy Corey, we're gonna have to let you go, man. That's the rim off front of your bike. These trophies, fine. Do something with them. Little gangs, y'all got to go somewhere else. We'll figure it out. Taz, we may keep you up on the wall. We don't know yet. But yeah, we're gonna reorganize, redevelopment 2024, y'all. So we got to I would say change the outlook. As a pimp once said, look like $1 million is subject to attract $1 million. And so let the work speak for itself, but we got to get some organization in our life. Even though I know where everything is, but that's just me. Yeah, like I said, stay tuned. We're gonna start cleaning up soon. I'm gonna incorporate my home improvement guy, have him come through, give me some ideals. We're gonna talk it out and work it out. Rob, Money Stereo Installation, Home Edition. Out here in the shop, throwing away old stuff, clearing out the attic, and I came across this. Back in the day, I would say 02, maybe 04 or so, we was on the half helmet stuff. This is what it looks like when your half helmet falls off the back of your bike and gets hit by a car. But you backtrack 15 miles looking for it because your caliper lock was inside with it. It got hit by a car, skint, and sent. That's right. Former club I was in. But yeah, boy, I still got the caliper lock that went with this. It got hit too, but it was still inside this. I stripped out some of the parts and reused them later on, something else. But it's gotta go, y'all. Hey, that's what happens to your helmet when it gets hit by a car. Hey y'all, it's Rob from Money Stereo Installations. Gonna present y'all with the remix. Like I said, this is for motivational purposes only. Guess who's back? Fresh off the wall. So you can, you got Malcolm. Malcolm used to be over by the hot water here. We had to move him over here. So we put new cabinets, refaced the old ones, made them so they all open and close properly. Reworked the hand wash area, you know, a little facelift over here. Reworked the computer station, reworked the work table. Refreshed this over here, and the charging system is all over here. In the previous video, you back up a few tracks, you'll see the wall over here was cluttered, but now it's more organized. Everything is put in cabinets, so in repeatable places. There goes my bike history on the wall right there for all to see. Started from the beginning in 04 all the way up to the present, which is new. We got road trips, a few places I've been, more to come. New plaque, signage as they may say, fresh whiteboard. You know what they say over there. Got that from a local convenience store. The man said, no credit, no IOUs, no owing on, no small change. And new lighting. And we got the accolades I've received over the years. You know, got the little Soul Brother corner over here. Good look out for heavy. Shout out to my rare breed partners, Greg Street and them guys down there. Various stuff. Got me a trophy out of the ATL too. Of course, Unique Sounds over there. Earned me one over there messing with them. East Bay Chevy's got me one messing with them. Yeah, you know. So, you know, we've been around. First customer of the month. My grandson. Got to put his bike together for him. Get that on the road for him so he can get on his two-wheel motion. Like I said over here, Money Stereo Installation is Black History Month all year long. You know, like I said, we stay ready, so we ain't got to get ready. Stay ready. So whatever you need, and my voice, my people, Shanae, I got you. So keep in tune, Money Stereo Installations, and dropping videos every 2 days for the month of February and every 3 days in March. All throwback videos, so it can let you see where we passed, where we came from, to let you see where we're going to the future. Me, myself, I think we are going on the freeway. We are going places. So stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. Ride for Money's Car Stereo. Follow me, click like, let somebody know. Hey, that's how we keep going forward.